Today we will learn Perkin reaction. Perkin reaction, it is a condensation reaction of aromatic aldehyde and aliphatic anhydride, aliphatic acid anhydride in presence of sodium salt of sodium or potassium salt of aliphatic acid to gives alpha beta unsaturated acid, alpha beta unsaturated acid. Here as the example is an aromatic aldehyde, that is a benzaldehyde, which is treated with aliphatic acid anhydride. For example is an acetic anhydride. In presence of sodium salt of that aliphatic acid, sodium or potassium salt of that aliphatic acid, it gives rise to alpha beta unsaturated acid. Here it is an cinnamic acid. COH is a functional group. Next to the functional group alpha carbon and then beta, it is commonly known as alpha beta unsaturated acid. Which one is an cinnamic acid? Cinnamic acid. Now see here one of the aromatic aldehyde which is treated with aliphatic acid anhydride. Now here it require, this is an anhydride functional group which require at least 2 alpha hydrogen atoms. This is alpha carbon and the hydrogen present on that carbon is an alpha hydrogen. Now why at least 2 alpha hydrogens are necessary for this reaction, it will be clear in the mechanism. Now see here there is a formation of carbon bond takes place between this aldehydic carbon and the carbon alpha carbon of the anhydride. You can take another example as CH double bond CH cinnamaldehyde in presence of same, that is aliphatic acid anhydride which having at least 2 alpha hydrogen atoms. Here necessary condition is that the aliphatic acid anhydride must contain at least 2 alpha hydrogen atom. If it contain more than 2 then it is okay, but it must contain at least 2 alpha hydrogen. यानी कि this aliphatic acid anhydride में कम से कम 2 हाइड्रोजन होनी ही चाहिए. Then in presence of this sodium salt or potassium salt of that aliphatic acid, it gives rise to, now the reaction will be takes place on this functional group. This is an aldehydic and then the bond will be formed between this carbon and this carbon. See, it is important where the reaction takes place on this aldehydic carbon and the carbon of this the alpha carbon of that anhydride. Now here we will get the product as unsaturated acid. Here that CH double bond CH remains as it is. Now the another here double carbon double bond will be formed between this aldehydic carbon and the alpha carbon of that anhydride. It is CH double bond CH and then COH. Now this is an acid here. Now this is our new bond form, this carbon carbon bond. This is the aldehydic carbon. One of the carbon is an aldehydic carbon and the another carbon is an alpha hydrogen of that anhydride. These are the 2 carbon atoms, aldehydic and this CH3. Now this is our newly generated group, that is alpha beta unsaturated acid. Okay, in this way we will form here alpha beta unsaturated product. This reaction can be done with aliphatic aldehydes also, and ketones are less reactive as compared to the aldehyde. As we know that the aldehydes are more reactive towards the nucleophilic addition reaction. Now we will see the mechanism of this reaction, and at least the temperature of this reaction is near about 170 to 180 degrees Celsius, and which is for near about 5 hours. Okay, 5 hours of heating will get the product. Now we will see the mechanism of this reaction. Why the 2 alpha hydrogens are required for this reaction? Okay, very simple reaction. In mechanism part, the first step is here. Initially what happens, whatever the we having the salt of that acid, that is CH3 C double bond O O N A, as a sodium salt of that acid, acetic acid, it undergoes a dissociation to form CH3 C double bond O O minus and Na plus. Now that acetate ion, this is an acetate ion, acetate ion. Okay, now that acetate ion will abstract here the hydrogen, which is acidic alpha hydrogen. Now this CH3 C double bond O O minus, it will abstract the proton, which is acidic. I will write here acidic anhydride as CH2H, which is CH3, and then C double bond O OCOCH3. Now what happens here, this negative charge will abstract the proton from the alpha carbon, that is the alpha hydrogen atom, and this CH electrons will be shifted towards this carbon. That hydrogens are acidic, since once that carbon ion is generated, that negative charge will be stabilized. Now what happens here, it becomes CH2 minus, here it is a C double bond O O CO CH3. Now see here, this is the carbon ion, and the byproduct is an acetic acid, which the proton is abstracted from the anhydride. This is an acetic acid. Now once that anion, carbon ion of that aliphatic acid anhydride is generated, that will be acts as a nucleophile in the second step. Okay, that will be acts as a nucleophile, and here we have the electrophilic carbon on here the aromatic aldehyde, that is an benzaldehyde. This is a benzaldehyde. See here, very simple and interesting mechanism. CH2, this is negative, C double bond O O C double bond O CH3. Now what happens here, this negative charge, it will be attacked on the carbonyl carbon, which is electrophilic, and these pi electrons are shifted on the oxygen, that becomes O minus. Here there is a formation of carbon-carbon bond takes place. Here C, this is O minus, H, this is CH2, C double bond O, OCOCH. Okay, see here. Okay, see carefully. The negative charge, that कार्बन आयन, this ये कार्बन आयन इस कार्बन पे, ये कार्बन आयन जो इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक है, सिंस ये ऑक्सीजन क्या कर रहा है, पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन खुद की तरफ विड्रॉ कर रहा है, इसलिए ये कार्बन इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक बन गया. सो दिस ये नेगेटिव चार्ज जो है कार्बन आयन इस पे अटैक हो रहा है. जैसे कि अटैक होने के बाद ये ऑक्सीजन पे नेगेटिव चार्ज आ गया, वो ऑक्साइड आयन बन गया. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप what happens, the protonation of that carbon ion takes place. See here. In third step, I will take this place is here. Protonation of that carbon ion takes place here. CH. This is O minus, CH2, C double bond O, OCO, CH3. Now protonation. H plus ion in presence of acetic acid. The acetic acid is generated in the first step by abstraction of the proton from aliphatic acid anhydride. फर्स्ट स्टेप देखो उसमें क्या हुआ है, जो सोडियम साल्ट डिसोसिएट होने के बाद जो एसीटेट आयन बन गया, वो एसीटेट आयन ने प्रोटॉन अब्स्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया। किसका प्रोटॉन अब्स्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया? वो अलिफेटिक एसिड अनहाइड्राइड, जो कि मोर एसिडिक है। देन तब वो क्या बना? इट बिकम्स एसिटिक एसिड। दैट एसिटिक एसिड हियर used for protonation of that ion, a negative charge abstract करता है। अभी negative charge takes the proton and here it becomes CH. It is now OH. See here, OH, CH2, C double bond O, OCO, CH3. Now in further step, okay, what happens? मैंने जो आपको बोला था, जो कि अल्फाटिक अनहाइड्राइड जो है उसमें एटलीस्ट 2 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होनी चाहिए। एक अल्फा हाइड्रोजन कहाँ यूज हुआ? दैट इज abstracted by the acetate ion. Okay, and now the second will be used here in the dehydration reaction. Next step is a dehydration reaction. We have to take here this species COH, H. Here that CH2 can be written like this, CH and H, CH2. Okay, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. Now it undergoes a dehydration on simply heating minus H2O. Dehydration कैसे होता है? A CH electron will be shifted here from the double bond and that OH minus withdraws the electron, that becomes OH minus and H plus, loss of water molecule, formation of carbon-carbon double bond. That is a CH double bond CH. Here CH double bond CH remaining as it is, that is a C double bond O, C double bond O, and here CH3. That part as it is. This part I have written here. Now finally, अभी आपका टारगेट मॉलिक्यूल आ गया क्या? नहीं, इसमें क्या है? अभी अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड एसिड बनने वाला है। कैसे बनने वाला है? क्या करना चाहिए? अभी see here we having the here is anhydride functional group. Okay, how will you synthesize the acid from anhydride? Simply any acid derivative. It may be ester, it may be acid chloride, it may be amides that can be converted into acid by simply hydrolysis reaction. Remember it is very important. The last step is simple, that is an hydrolysis. Last step, hydrolysis. Take here that intermediate CH double bond CH, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. Now on hydrolysis, H plus and OH minus. Hydrolysis is nothing but addition of H plus and OH minus with the breakdown of here this bond. Break, either if you break this bond, carbon plus O minus. Okay, the negative part will be attacked to the positive part and positive part will be attacked to the negative part. We will get our target molecule as alpha beta unsaturated acid, CH double bond CH, and then this is C double bond O, OH, that is an acid. This is your acid functional group and this is CH double bond CH. Okay, that is an cinnamic acid. In this way we can prepare the alpha beta unsaturated acid. In this reaction is the product of this reaction is similar to the Nagel reaction. Okay, we have to compare every time if there are similar products. Okay, of two reaction we have to compare what are the reactants, what are the products, and where it is different, what are the reagents. In non-homogeneous reaction, their reagent and the second, that is the reagent is and that diethyl malonate in the non-homogeneous reaction. While here the aliphatic acid anhydride. Okay, that is the difference. And in non-homogeneous we have used pyridine, and here we have used the sodium salt of that acetic acid. Okay, here we are used the weak base. Okay, I will stop here.